And what I'm imagining is a kid would be able to come up and they would be able to click on one of these stickers and it would connect them to another Google Classroom or a Bitmoji Classroom that has books in that. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to build my humor classroom. Okay. So remember I had this slideshow here that had all of these different backgrounds. So I think this red room right here is going to be a good one for humor. So I'm going to right click on it, copy. I'm going to come back over to my genre rooms, right click and go paste. So now I've got this. Okay, I've got this second room here. I'm going to click on my humor sticker and up here is this link. All right, and I'm going to click on slides and presentation and I want it to link to slide 2 and click apply. Now, if I didn't already have all of those rooms and backgrounds set up, okay, let's say you need help finding all of those rooms. There's a couple of different ways that you can do that. You go to background, choose image, Google image search. Floor, wall, background. Okay, and then you come up with all of these options. Let's say you're going to do that one. Move me out of the way and hit insert. Done. There it is. Yeah, I don't like that, but that would be one way to do it. Okay, you can choose a different one, etc. Let's say you want this one instead. There's another one. Another way you can do it is coming over to here. And sometimes there's a whole lot more. Okay, a lot more options. Ooh, that one's kind of fun. You could choose that. Another way I found it is to do empty room. That one also gets you fun stuff. This one will sometimes give you stuff that have corners. But let's say you wanted to use this one instead. What you could do is you can do right click, save image as, save it. On mine I have a Bitmoji Classroom Pics file. So I could save that there, go back here, again go to background, choose image, this time upload. I've got it right there. Go there, done, and there it is. Of course, I'm not doing that. I'm going with my red room. Okay, so there it is. Now comes the fun part where you need to furnish your fun room. All right, I'm going to go back to my pictures. And if you remember, I have created that folder back here where I have all of these pictures and stuff that I have collected. And I will be more than happy to share all of these with you. Let's see, what would be a fun sofa to have in a humor room? This one is kind of fun. I'm using that one. So in this slideshow that I opened that has all of my sofas and chairs, ooh, that would be kind of fun too. Nope, I'm going with this yellow sofa. Okay, I'm going to right click on it, copy, my genre room, and I'm going to go paste. I'm going to go paste, and there's my sofa. Oh, you are fabulous. Yes, you are. All right, so I'm going to put my sofa there someplace. We'll just start it with right there. You can always move stuff around as you set up your room. Now then, I need some bookshelves. I'm going to open my bookshelf room. That's going to load. Which bookshelf should I choose? I kind of want a front-facing bookshelf. Ooh, the floating shelves would be fun. You know what? I don't like any of those bookshelves. We're going to find our own All right, so there's my sofa, there's my room. Let's go to over here. Well, you can go here, do a search the web. One of the ways you can do it is bookshelf transparent. Now, the reason I add the word transparent is that will give me a transparent background behind it so that it doesn't have white all the way around it. Not liking anything that's coming up. All right, let's go over here to Google search. Bookshelf. So search. Under tools, I'm going to go to color, transparent. And that will make sure it has a blank background behind it. I like those. Let's do copy image, go over here, paste. Let's see if we can make them bigger. Those are kind of fun. Maybe make them a little bigger. Ooh. Those are neat. Okay. Arrange, order, send backwards. I'm getting rid of those. Copy. Let's make another one. So we have 2 of them. Arrange, send backward. Let's even them up also. There we go. All right, so now I have 2 of them. What do we think? Is that good? Do we still like the sofa in the middle? Oh, now remember, on all of mine, I also have Gilbert and Percy and all those things. So now I'm going to go in here. I'm going to hit my image again and drive. Let's insert Gilbert. All right, there's Gilbert. Word of advice. Always make sure you crop things as closely as possible. That makes it easier when trying to click on things later, okay? There we go. So there's Gilbert. I'm going to put him up on a top shelf so he's looking down and judging us, because that's what cats do. They judge us. So Gilbert, no, maybe you're over here on this side. Gilbert is there judging us. All right. There's Gilbert. Now I need to add Percy. Now, I have added the Bitmoji Chrome extension up here. All right. Really important to do, because the Bitmoji Chrome extension up here will automatically give you a clear background behind your Bitmoji. All right. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to find a Bitmoji. Now, a good way to find your Bitmoji without having any of these words or anything like that behind them, okay, is to use the word pose. I think there's a good one where it's laughing. Thought there was. That one's kind of good. Okay, I'm going to go copy, paste. Again, crop it down so it's as close as possible. And then put your Bitmoji. There's mine relaxing on the sofa. It's a sofa because I'm a couch. Oh, there it is. That's the one I'm looking for. Okay. Copy, paste, paste. That's the one I'm looking for. I'm doing a comedy room, so I want this one. Okay, again, I'm going to crop it in as close as possible. And there we go. There I am laughing on the sofa. Something doesn't look quite right there. I feel like I might need a pillow. I'm going to add a pillow. I'm looking for a pillow I can put behind me. Where's a good pillow? No, maybe not. That one might be a good pillow. Oh, I'm liking that one. Copy, paste. I'm going to move my Bitmoji over. I'm going to put that there. Maybe make it a little smaller. Go on the sofa. I'm going to bring my Bitmoji over. I'm going to bring it forward. There. Now that looks like she fits on the sofa a little better. And there's my cat, once again, judging me.